remember, don't look back.
Hey! That's sent it on Verbolten. Looking forward to it, Chris.
Of course, mate, of course. Even though you ruined the surprise.
Well, it might not be the surprise.
Oh! Jesus! Woo! Shit!
It's intense.
Hey!
Get ready for it. Here we go. Here we go, rolling along.
Whoa! Woohoo!
Off the famous drop.
Oh!
Oh, wow. Here we go.
Whoa! Wow! Oh!
That was awesome.
Wow!
How was that?
Brilliant.
Yeah,
That was so good.
yeah, not the smoothest thing, but
No.
really, really good.
Do you know, there's 3
Really
trains on the
intense.
track and 2 in the station. And the thing, 5 trains.
Yeah, the line's got a bit longer as well. That was Verbolten, that was amazing.